Here's how to change terminal directory in VS Code. So first thing, open up your VS Code, and after this simply click on File. From there select Preferences and then click on Settings. So once on your this setting page, simply search terminal.integrated CWD, and after this simply add the path here which you want to change the directory for your terminal. So I add it and then simply enter yes. And after this, if this is working, what you need to do is simply create a new terminal by going to terminal and then new terminal. As you can see, our path has been changed. So that's how you can change path on US terminal. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.